I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the path your console will use. This changes where Rainbow Six Siege thinks you are. First, check your current ping and record your region so you can compare. Choose one reroute method. Install a VPN on your router, share a VPN-protected PC hotspot, or use smart DNS. Make sure you have router admin access, VPN username/password, or DNS codes ready. Once ready, you'll apply the network change, and then connect the Ps5 to that new route to force matchmaking toward the target server. Now you configure the reroute itself. If using a router VPN, Flash-compatible firmware, or use the router's VPN client, import the provider profile and choose the exit city near the target server. This ensures all Ps5 traffic uses that endpoint. If on PC, connect the VPN, enable the hotspot, and pair your Ps5 so only console traffic goes through the VPN. If using smart DNS, change the Ps5 DNS fields and restart the connection. This alters geolocation without full encryption. Make sure NAT stays open and test a network connection. Finish by verifying the change in game and running a few matches to confirm lower ping and the expected server region. If matchmaking still lands you on the old region, clear the game cache, sign out /n of your Ubisoft account, and relaunch. Ubisoft ties accounts to regions at times. If you see high latency or NAT issues, switch to a different VPN exit node, change protocols, open VPN versus WireGuard, or temporarily disable the reroute. If problems persist, revert to your original network and try a different provider or configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.